Hey guys, it's me, 1T34 Beyblade, and today I'll be doing another epic four-way battle. This time it's going to be between Burn Wolf, SW145WD, Poison Virgo, ED145EX, Gravity Perseus Attack, 130 flat, and Meteo Drago Assault 85 Extreme flat. So, I'll be using this launcher and this launcher for this battle. So, I'll be launching all the right spins first. So anyway, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Go, shoot. And go, shoot. Oh, Poison Virgo knocked out. Oh, Gravity Perseus knocked out of Stadium by Meteo Drago Assault. Will Meteo Drago Assault take the win, or will it get out spun by Burn Wolf? I don't know. And it actually looks like Meteo Drago Assault loses. And Meteo Drago Assault gets out spun by Burn Wolf. So anyway, we're gonna get started with round 2. So 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go up. And Meteo Drago Assault knocks out Burn Wolf, but somehow it gets back in. And Gravity Perseus, I spun him left. Oh! Burn Wolf knocked out! Will Poison Virgo be outspun by the ultimate attack Perseus? Or Poison Virgo outspin? And Gravity Perseus outspins the Poison Virgo. So, anyway, round 3, start. Okay, that didn't work out so well. But anyway, Meteo Drago Assault outspun by Burn Wolf. So, anyway, is this the final round? I don't know. So, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Go. Go. Burn Wolf knocked out by Poison Virgo. And will Gravity Perseus take the win? By the way, the score is 2-1 to 0-0, I think. This is round 4. Gravity Perseus is left spin, and it looks like Gravity Perseus will take the win. And yes, Gravity Perseus attack takes the win, making it 2-2 to 0-0. So, anyway, final round of this epic four-way battle. Start! And Meteo Drago knocked out. And Perseus makes a double KO with these two, making Gravity Perseus left spin attack version our winner of this epic battle. So anyway, make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and subscribe to show me that you love me. Goodbye. Like this video for more four-way battles.